Hi, I'm Vicky. Welcome to our next Durham Drive-through tutorial video, a handy guide to assist you in picturing in your mind some of the busier junctions that may, from time to time, be covered on your practical driving test in the Durham city area. Remember, these videos are for illustration only, and you should continue to discuss and practice with your driving instructor. Making progress along Church Street, you will notice in front of you that the road is getting narrower. So narrow, in fact, that the road is marked with yellow box junctions markings, as it may not be possible all of the time for two vehicles to pass each other safely. Remember, do not enter into the box junction if there is a vehicle approaching in it. Do not enter also unless there is sufficient space for you to fully clear the box. Making progress down onto New Elvet, you will notice lots of pedestrians, a mixture of students and tourists. You need to be extra vigilant, as it isn't uncommon for people to mistakenly step off the pavement, especially if they are distracted by crowded pavements or staring at the screens of their mobile phones. We're going to follow the route towards Crook A690 and Consett A691. Following the A690 West, we stay in the left-hand lane, but we are not taking the first exit to the left, as this goes towards the clay path. Because of this, we don't indicate left until we have made progress past the traffic lights. Now we make progress onto Milburn Gate Bridge, which crosses the River Wear. You will notice that the lanes across the bridge are very thin, so you need to be ever aware of the buses that may be stopped at the bus stops on the left, and also vehicles that may be alongside or passing you on the right. As we leave Milburn Gate Bridge, we are going to turn right, third exit, at the roundabout at the end. The road markings show that you are able to turn right in either of the lanes. In this case, given the choice, left is best. The 2 lanes of traffic that turn right at the junction make progress up Framwell Gate Peth, the A691. As we turn right, the right-hand lane is almost immediately filtered to the left-hand side, so the left-hand lane is the easiest to navigate. Make progress up the hill. Thank you for watching our video. We do hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for regular new editions.